It's time for your daily crypto update with Framework Fortune Crypto. I'm your host Ben, and let's dive right in. So Bitcoin has rebounded quite a bit from that area where it dropped down to that 30,000 area. It's been struggling in this 40,000 area, trying to break over the 50-day right here on the 4-hour chart. We look at it on the daily chart. We're going to need to see the 20-day moving average cross back over the 50 and the 100-day here for Bitcoin to be bullish. I'm still a bit skeptical of Bitcoin, so I'm not doing too much with that. I'm barely holding any at the moment. And you can see on the daily chart, though, the RSI is really low, which means that Bitcoin is oversold. So it still possibly could be a buying opportunity for Bitcoin. But I'm cautious because of the chart pattern and because we don't know who the inventor was. And the blockchain is hard to build on compared to Ethereum or Algorand or any of the other blockchain projects. So I feel eventually there could be a dynamic shift to where Ethereum kind of takes the front run lead over Bitcoin. Of course, this is all speculation, and the idea that Bitcoin is a store of value to me seems pretty invalid after it dropped $20,000 in a matter of a week. That's not exactly what I would consider a store of value. So all that together just has me very skeptical of it for now. Ethereum, however, like I said, I think will be better than Bitcoin for the actual project building. But on the daily chart, Ethereum is above the 200 and the 100-day now and is testing getting back above that 50. So all the EMAs are where they need to be. We're just waiting on Ethereum to break back over 3,000, and then Ethereum will probably continue its bull run. On the daily chart, the RSI is kind of right at a 44, so it's still pretty low. So I think we're going to see buy-in come back into Ethereum pretty strong, especially if Bitcoin does not hold up like I think it's going to. I think we'll see buy-in volume from Bitcoin start coming into Ethereum, and Bitcoin may drop. Now, if you look at it on the 4-hour chart, Ethereum is close to having an EMA crossover. The 20-day EMA is pointing upwards, and just about here very soon, if it can break 3,000, will be crossed over the other EMAs, and that will be a very strong buy-in signal for Ethereum. Dogecoin on the daily, it's trying to hold up the 50-day, but it's really struggling. Currently, it's kind of right below it, so we'll see today where this closes at. We could see it drop back down to the 100-day, but this is almost looking like it could be a head and shoulders on Dogecoin, so I would be very wary of that. This is a shoulder. This is the head, and if this pushes up and gets stuck right in that 42 to 45 cent range, then that would be another shoulder, and we would see Dogecoin sell off. So RSI is a little low, but I'm very skeptical of it, and with Bitcoin being pretty sketchy in my opinion, I think Dogecoin will be just as sketchy. Cardano. Now Cardano, this is what I like to see. It's above all indicators on the daily. And if we go through the rest of the charts, it's going to be the same thing. You can see on the 4-hour, the 20-day has crossed the 200 and has almost crossed the 50 and the 100. So ADA is very close to a breakout and going very bullish. And that's why I've had it on watch and been saying to watch it for the last week. I am currently in Cardano. I like the project, but we're going to have to wait and see if this is going to break up or not. It's very close to a breakout, but not quite there yet. Now, Matic did have a very nice rebound and is actually in a little bit of a bull flag right now. You can see it right here, this little triangle, and it's close to breaking out for another move up. So we could see Matic here very soon run up and break it for a new high, maybe up to $3. Right now it is a little high on the RSI, but it's not in the danger zone. You can see back here when it was in the danger zone, it sold off. Right there in the danger zone, sold off. Danger zone, sold off. Danger zone, sold off. So it's right below it. So it does have the chance to run some more and maybe make that new high and then have another little pullback. But Matic is definitely one you want to keep an eye on. SKL, the Skale Network, is another one that's been on my watch list, and I've been telling everybody to keep their eyes peeled for this one. As you can see on the daily chart, it had a nice pop up yesterday, nice run from that 30 cents all the way up to 70 cents. So it is starting to turn bullish. You can see the 20-day there starting to cross over the 50 and the 100-day. This crypto's not been out very long, so there's not a 200-day moving average yet, but it's very close to making a bullish move and maybe breaking out of this downward consolidation here. And you can see on the RSI, we're about in the middle, so there's still plenty of room where Skale could push up. So that's pretty much my thoughts right now in the crypto markets. There is a lot of volatility, so there are some good day trades that you can make and some good swing trades if you know what you're doing. We're still kind of in this waiting game of seeing if we're actually going to get a full rebound after this crash. The market's not quite rebounding as fast as the crash happened, so that is a little concerning, but the volatility is showing that people are still buying and selling cryptos, and I think they're going to continue to do that. Miners are going to continue to get paid, so I don't think the prices can go to a zero negative floor or anything. I think we've pretty much hit the bottom at this point, and if they do drop down, the bottom is not much further away. So if there's any coins that you want me to cover that I'm not currently covering on these daily crypto videos, let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't yet, get over to the Framework Fortune home channel, check out some of the crypto content over there, and check out that interview we just did with Charles Allen, CEO of BTCS Inc. They are the first pure crypto play on the stock market, and they are a digital asset treasury that currently is holding over 7,700 Ethereum and 90 Bitcoin. So there's a lot of good information that you can learn from that. And you can also find out about that company. It's a very interesting company. So appreciate everybody joining me as always. Stay safe out there. Until next time.